We use standard 1.1mm shift cables. You need a small Phillips head screwdriver, a 3mm Allen wrench, and a pick. For easier access, loosen the clamp screw, turn the shifter 180 degrees, and tighten it again. Remove the Phillips head screw. Lift the cover so you can access the cables. Pull the cables out of the housing. Use the pick to pull the end cap out in order to remove the cable. Turn the controller and repeat the procedure for the second cable. Guide the new cables through the small slot and the housing until they come out on the other side. Keep pulling until the end cap is secured in its socket. Install the plastic cover and secure it with the Phillips screw to the specified torque of 0.2 Newton-meters. Loosen the clamp screw, turn the shifter back to its original position, and secure the clamp screw to 2.0 Newton-meters. Guide the shifting cables into the housing.